If you have laser printer like this, you may have faced the problem of red light blinking, which means the device detects some problem and need troubleshooting. By simply resetting the fuser unit, you can easily solve it. But today in my case, my Ricoh SP210 is not only showing the red light error, but also showing the power LED blinking, in my case the blue one. I tried to connect it with a laptop using the USB cable, but it doesn't respond. I guess there is a problem in the logic board aka formatter, as everything sounds good. I mean the rolling sound of the OPC drum. To see the logic board, I have to remove the plastic enclosure. After inspecting it for a while, I have found the power supply unit aka SMPS lies in the right hand side, whereas the formatter on the left side. To open it, I removed one M4 screw from the back side and 3 from the front side. And by applying a little bit of pressure, the plastic enclosure removed from the body frame. My assumption was correct. You can see the logic board here. I unscrewed the 4 M4 screw to remove the logic board and unpin all the connectors. But before that, make sure to note which connector belongs to which port. After inspecting the board for a while, honestly say I didn't find the problem, as I'm not an expert on this field. So instead of repair, I go for a simple solution to replace it with a new one. If anybody know how to repair it, please comment below so that I can able to contact you. Anyways, I searched over internet about the board but found so many different board with different price tag. As most of the websites policy is showing non-returnable, so I decided to go for a WhatsApp conversation before buying. After searching for a while, I found this website genuine. Though it is not a sponsored video, I started my conversation over WhatsApp. With a friendly conversation from the other side, they replied, "Mine one is also available and they will send it to me over courier. It will cost around 1900 Indian rupees or around 26 United States dollar." After waiting for a week, I received the package from the courier and it was time for me to using my sharp cutter. Well, their packaging is quite good. After removing all the bubble wrapper, I finally got the PCB. I matched the new board with the older one and found both are absolutely same. Now all I have to do is just insert the new board in the correct place. Reconnect the connectors according with the previous one. Remember, if you wrongly connect the pins, the printer will start malfunctioning and may damage the hardware. I secured the logic board in the frame using the M4 nuts. Close the side cover and secure it with the nuts. And lastly, I inserted the rear panel and the front panel, and now it's time to test. After turning on the power, it sounds as before. But wait, it's still not showing in the software named Smart Organizing Monitor. And then I replace the USB cable and click on the connect printer option in the Smart Organizing Monitor and then select USB 001 at Ricoh SP210 DDST, and just then everything seems normal as before. Under the user tool tab, I select the maintenance page and click on the print button option, and the page come out as I expected. But wait, I don't understand why the total page count shows 1200 and 478 pages. As the logic board is new, the countdown must start from 1. Is that mean they sent me an used board? Let me comment below, and thanks for watching.